Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to circle. We shall quickly see the concepts. As we know, a circle is a set of points which are equidistant from a given point. Here, P is the center of the circle and this radius is given here. And the diameter is twice the radius. Next is chord. It is a line segment whose endpoints lie on a circle. Here we can see CD is a chord and similarly AB is the chord. AB is nothing but the diameter which is the maximum chord in this circle. Next is tangent. As we know, it is a line segment which has one common point with circumference of a circle. That is, it touches only at this point. For example, here it touches at the point R and PQ is the tangent. And also this radius OR will be perpendicular to the tangent. Next is secant. Secant is a line segment which intersects the circle at two distinct points and it is called secant. PQ intersects the circle at 2 points A and B. Here the secant is PQ and it intersects at A and B. Next is the segment. It is a chord that divides the circle into two regions and these two regions are called as major segment and minor segment. The bigger one is the major segment and the smaller one is the minor segment. Next we shall see the formulas. As you know, the area of the circle is given by pi r square and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. And the length of an arc is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. It is nothing but the portion of the arc length which is subtended by this angle. It is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, which is the circumference. Similarly, the area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of the sector is also given by half into length of the arc into radius of the circle. This is similar to triangle formula. It is half into arc length into radius. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.